Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this Blu-ray player that I had mounted to the wall. I didn't make any extra holes in there. I was lucky my screws fit in fine through access points. I just put some tape on them so that they didn't touch the boards or any loose parts. And then here's the drive. The drive actually just slides in. It's like it's got a couple clips. It's got clips that keep it in place. Blather, Scott. Okay. It's just got two contacts, one data. I'll make sure that I am recording this and not just talking to myself like usual. Okay, I forget, do I push it down? Does it slide up? Does it flip up? Looks like it flips up, but maybe it just pushes down. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, it was already... Yeah, it flips up. Okay, so if I push it down, it's unlocked? No? Down is locked. Okay, so up is unlocked. Let's make sure that is in there, right? And then we'll lock it by pushing it down. Okay, and then this one just slides in. Okay, now, don't do this. I work with electronics. Yada, yada, yada. So this is going to be your most dangerous spot. Luckily, you got a little box on here so you don't try and zap yourself. But if you touch anything on or off, you can cause damage. But I'm a professional at breaking things. Okay, let's go ahead and open that up. Ta-da! Now I should... Usually it tries to slide it back. Okay, so here's zip tie. And then, like I said, I angled this so you can actually try and get your... Okay, ta-da! Close. Okay. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, that sucked. Let's try that again. The disc should actually be... Okay, let's pull this back a little bit. Failure. Maybe the disc isn't coming up far enough for the catch. Okay. That is something that I thought might happen. Oops. Okay. It's making such a horrible sound. I hope I'm not grinding my disc down onto the top of the laser. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'd have to stack and kind of build up an extra layer. Okay. Nothing to see. The exhibit is now closed.